The United States economy, once a symbol of unstoppable growth, is now facing a wave of uncertainty. From a government shutdown and slowing job market to cautious moves by the Federal Reserve, America's financial heartbeat is showing signs of stress. So, what exactly is happening right now? Let's break it down. As of October 2025, the federal government remains in shutdown mode. Lawmakers have failed to pass a full-year funding plan, and this political deadlock is costing the U.S. economy billions of dollars every single week. Essential services are delayed, paychecks for federal workers are frozen, and national data such as the monthly jobs report has been postponed. Economists warn that the longer this continues, the deeper the economic damage will be. On the surface, the economy still looks stable, but dig a little deeper and the cracks start to appear. Job growth is slowed, unemployment claims are ticking upward, and the once hot housing market is cooling fast. Oxford Economics recently issued a warning that if the technology sector slows down further, the U.S. could be heading toward a mild recession. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve is divided. After cutting interest rates in September, some Fed officials say rates are still too high and are squeezing growth. Others insist inflation hasn't fully cooled and that cutting too much could reignite price pressures. Most policymakers expect more rate cuts this year, but uncertainty remains the only constant. Another concern is tariffs and trade tensions. Rising federal tariffs are putting pressure on manufacturing states that depend on global trade. The U.S. trade deficit has widened again, meaning the nation is importing more than it's exporting, and new state capitalism policies are tying federal support to strategic industries like semiconductors and rare earth minerals. Globally, the International Monetary Fund says the world economy is performing better than expected, but risks still loom large. A potential bubble in AI and tech stocks could trigger a market correction, and if that happens, the shock would ripple across the entire global system, including the United States. So here's the bottom line. The U.S. economy isn't collapsing, but it's slowing, and confidence is fragile. With Washington in gridlock, the Fed divided, and global risks on the horizon, the coming months could define America's financial future. Stay tuned, because the story of the U.S. economy is far from over.